A 3 cross 8 structure requires 2 cross 1 and 1 cross 2. That is, one NOT gate is this 1 cross 2 decoder and this 2 cross 1 decoder. So 3 cross 8 decoder, let's say this is 2 cross 4 decoders, 2 cross 4, 2 inputs, 4 outputs, as these are 2 cross 4. Okay, these are 2 cross 4, 2 cross 4. Active high, so enable pin, okay, and one NOT gate, as we require one. That is, this is A, this is B, C, this is B, C. So if we select A equal to 0, this will be 1. So this, for example, let's say A, B, C. So if we take the values 0, 0, 1, that is, A is 0, B is 0 and C is 1. Okay, from this values, A is 0, that is, the output of this NOT gate will give 1. So the decoder number 1 will be selected, as the enable pin for this decoder goes high. So the decoder number 1 will be selected and the decoder number 2 will not be selected when A is 0. Since A is 0, the decoder 1 gets selected, and let's check out from this value, B is 0, C is 1. So before taking the output, let's rename the output Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7. So now the decoder 1 goes high, B is 0, C is 1. B is 0, C is 1. That is, from this value, it is clearly seen that the value of this 0, 0, 1 is 1. That is, Y1 will be selected. So in this case, Y1 is selected. If A, B, C is selected as 1, 0, 0, therefore the value of 1, 0, 0 is equal to 4. So let's see the working. How Y4? In this case, Y4 gets selected for this case. But how Y4 gets selected? Let's see. A is 1. So if we put A is equal to 1, in this case, the output of the NOT gate will be 0. Therefore, this decoder will not be selected, as the enable pin is low. A is equal to 1. Therefore, the enable pin for decoder number 2 is high. Therefore, the decoder 2 is selected in this case. And since the value is 1, 0, 0, that is 4, the decoder 4 is selected. Now, let's see the construction of 3 cross 8 decoder, the construction of 4 cross 16 decoder using 2 cross 4 decoders. Construction of 4 cross 16. Construct a 4 cross 16 decoder using 2 cross 4. Okay, so step number 1, write a 4 cross 16 decoder which is to be constructed. We divide this 16 by 4, which is this 4. So 16 divided by 4 gives 4. Since this 4 is equal to 4, we can again divide this 4 with the same 4. 4 divided by 4 gives 1. Now we try to divide 1 by this 4. But since 1 is less than 4, we cannot divide 1. Therefore, the total number of 1 divided by 4 is written as 1 itself. Okay, so the total number of 2 cross 4 required to implement 4 cross 16 is 4 plus 4, and since this 1 is pending, we require 1 cross 2, sorry, so total number of 2 cross 4 required to implement 4 cross 16 is 4 plus 1 gives 5. This is not needed. Now why we consider this one, the reason behind this is that since we get 4 by 4 which is directly 1, if we would have got some number other than 1, like for example 2 or some other number 3, then we would have considered the same 2 and used those number of 2 to get the lower order decoder, like how we have done in case of 3 cross 8 using 2 cross 4, where we have got 2 cross 4 decoders and 1 cross 2 decoder. Therefore the level here will be, this will be first level, this will be second level. This is how we go. So in short, to clear the doubts or how we can find out the levels, we can say in this way: 4 cross 16, a 4 cross 16 decoder is constructed by 16 using 2 cross 4 decoder, which is 16 by 4 gives 4. This 4 is again divided by 4, which gives 1. So this is the first level of the diagram. This is the second level. The total decoders is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. So we require 5 total number of decoders, with one decoder as 2 cross 4 decoder. Let's see, this will be the first level. First 2 cross 4 decoder will be A, B, 4 outputs. Now the second level has 4 decoders. Okay, so we draw 4 2 cross 4 decoders. These are connected to the enable pin of the respective decoders. Okay, and these are the 2 inputs, 2 inputs, 2 inputs, 2 inputs, and again 2 cross 4 will have 4 outputs. So let's rename the output Y0, Y1, Y2, this will be Y3, Y4, 5, Y6, this will be Y7, Y8, Y9, Y10, Y11, Y12, Y13, Y14, and Y15. This will have again 2 inputs, A, B. Let's consider this other inputs as CD, 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 CD. So 2 cross 4 decoders, as we can see, these are 4 cross 16 decoders, that is 4 inputs, 1 2 3 4 and 16 outputs. We can see this 4 inputs, 1 input, second input, C is third input, and these 4 input. That is the total number of inputs: A, B, C, D, 4 inputs. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. That is total 16. So let's take a random value as 1001. This equals to 9. So in this case value 9 is selected. Now let's work out how 9 value is selected. 1 0. Let's say A is 1, B is 0. 1 0. The decimal equivalent for this is 2, which shows that the decoder 1, decoder 2, decoder 3 and decoder 4. 1 0. So which means the decoder number 2 is selected. That means this decoder is selected. Sorry, the decoder number, this is selected. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, the decoder number 2 is selected this way. Now considering this value, the decoder 2 is selected and the value is 9. Therefore in this case value 9 is selected. Now let's take another example, ABCD with 0 1 0 1. AB, which is A 0, B is 1, so it gives 1, that is decoder number 1 is selected and the total value for this is 5, that is in this case decoder 5 is selected.